Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters in Islam. I hope Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our deeds. I hope Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala relieve all the pain of all Muslims around the world. Allahumma ameen. Today in our practical recitation digestion of Juz Amma, we are going to talk about Surah Al-Qari'ah. Surah Al-Qari'ah. And in this surah, we have something simple. Just I want you to make sure that your sound with ayn is pronounced correctly as Arab, not as your native language. So we don't say ainu, but we say ainu. You give it some power when it comes to the end of the inside of your mouth. So we call it glottal sound, but I just forget about that kind of expressions. I want you just to repeat after me. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim Al-Qari'ah. Again, the ha sound, if it comes at the end of the word, we have to make the sound of ha'u comes freely, and you leave your mouth relaxed, and the air comes slowly and in a relaxed way. So we say Al-Qari'ah, Mal-Qari'ah, وما أدراك ما القارعة. Again here on the word وما أدراك. If you look at your mushaf right now, you will find the mad sign, which is 6 harakats or 4 harakats. So it's not correct to say وما أدراك ما القارعة, but we say وما أدراك ما القارعة. Or you can say with 6 harakats, you can say وما أدراك ما القارعة يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث. Again, if you look at the noon of the word الناس, you will find it comes with shadda. And shadda in Quran, it means 2 letters combined together and you pronounce them at the same time of pronunciation. So we say يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش فأما من ثقلت موازينه. If you look at the word من ثقلت, if you look at the noon, you will find it an empty noon. And empty noon in language or in Arabic in common, it means you have to take it from your nasal cavity, your nose, not your mouth. So you say من ثقلت موازينه فهو في عيشة راضية وأما من خفت موازينه. Here in this verse وأما من خفت, why I'm making it with إظهار? Because the noon here has sukun, and النون الساكنة here, if it followed by خاء, so we make it إظهار. So any noon with sukun followed by خاء, we make it like clear. Okay? No غنة, no nose. You make it clear. So we say وأما من خفت موازينه فأمه هاوية وما أدراك ما هي نار حامية. اللهم سلم سلم يا رب. So again, we are going to recite this surah once more, and this time I want you just to look at my mouth, you listen carefully, and you repeat after me. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم القارعة ما القارعة وما أدراك ما القارعة يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش فأما من ثقلت موازينه فهو في عيشة راضية وأما من خفت موازينه فأمه هاوية وما أدراك ما هي نار حامية. اللهم سلم سلم يا رب العالمين. بارك الله لي ولكم في القرآن العظيم وتقبل الله مني ومنكم يا رب العالمين. Wait for the next surah inshallah, which is Surah Al-Takasur. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from me, from you, and from all Muslims whenever they are and whatever they are doing. Allahumma ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.